Very good morning or maybe evening if you are watching from the United States. It's beginning friendly. It seems like we are beginning friendly today. Let me just show it to you guys. Let me know in the comments in the live chat where you are watching from, because this is always very interesting to know. And I would like to see what is going on with you together. So we are diving into, I would just have to see that I will see your comments. Let me just quickly set it up. Here we go. So, ready to go. We are seeing almost neutral but a little bit better futures, right, than yesterday closing. And I think that it's something that is a little bit needed, right? Do we need this stability? I think so, guys, because it's something that I really miss, because this is crazy, right? Up, down, sideways, roller coaster, whatever you call it. It's it's interesting currently on the markets, but we have a couple of interesting people looking and watching our stream from Asheville, from Texas, from Hawaii, Las Vegas, Toronto, Alberta, Saudi Arabia, and Manila, and on Ontario. So very interesting. I need to just go a second to the door because somebody is ringing. 1 second. And I will be there with you. So, here we are back again. Sorry for this short delay, but obviously, sometimes you have to open the door, right, when it's ringing. Yes, Trump is calling. Exactly. So, let's dive into further news. And today it's something very important or very interesting happening. I'm not the Cramer guy. I'm not a big Cramer guy, guys. However, when they talk about Tesla, and if they talk about bad about Tesla, then here I am. So, what they are making the point of actually is, only a technical factor. So, if we are going into the stock chart of Tesla, you will see this pattern here. And I don't know if this is clear, but let me try to show it to you much better into the stock chart of Tesla. And you can see it, actually we draw it here for a couple of days ago. This is the triangle that they are talking about, which is equivalent declining or going up from either direction, right? And this is always an interesting pattern in the stock chart because it can go up, but it can go down as well. And they are claiming that this could, with the overall market weakness, be a risk for Tesla right now. And I'm not such a fantastic or very technical trader, though you need to give this obviously always a call because there's so much computer trading on the stock market right now that it's it's definitely worth a look always to see what is going on. But 338, like Makan is saying, it's a deal. It's freaking cheap, okay? I would buy more Tesla for this price, and I would be super funny. By the way, shout out to all the members that are currently in Ronnie Freyer, Makan, Neil Jones. I saw a couple of more members here, and I know that's it. So okay, so those three guys are our members here in the chat. So yeah, so this is what's happening with Tesla. And there are a couple of other news. Obviously, if you have seen, maybe on my second channel. If not, make sure to follow my second channel, Wolf of Dubai 2. You can find it in my link description or just on my main page. And if you are watching, Peloton, a growth stock in the fitness area, then you should definitely have heard about the Beyoncé deal, okay? Just to shorten this up, Beyoncé made a multi-year agreement for content partnership with Peloton. This will be super, super interesting. I think they will use their songs. She will do some fitness. And, it will be quite interesting because this will bring a lot of people to the platform as well. She has 155 million followers on Instagram alone. Which is, a little bit more than me. But you see, this is where this stock is going, right? Then we having a China tech sell-off because, there's more and more, let's say, criticism by the overall situation of China and the tech sector, okay? We have seen the IPO that was not happening by Ant Financial, and more and more it's coming this way. So I think, this could be quite interesting for those Baidus, for those Alibabas out there when everything in this sector will sell off. So I'm quite interested how this will play out over the next couple of weeks because the China tech sector is a very, very important sector for China itself. Singapore and Hong Kong start to have the travel bubble, so you can fly between Singapore and Hong Kong now, and anywhere else. So it's quite interesting if this will be a great. Obviously, first of all, it's a great start for the tourism in this section. Second of all, it's always important to have some solutions to the problems. And third of all, Singapore is a very nice city. I would love to go there. I just, passed by and stayed at the airport, but never went there before, visiting. I heard it's absolutely fantastic. So, yeah, this is quite fun as well. And if you're looking for a job to work at one of those, Elon Musk companies, then make sure, because Boring Company, the big Boring Company that is making this innovative tunnels, is actually, looking for good engineers. So if you are, in Austin or want to move to Austin, then maybe you should go and check the website of the Boring Company. One more thing, guys. Do I have it here? Or yeah, one more thing, guys, to the Beyond Meat deal. As you know, there is some relationship between Beyond Meat as well as the McDonald's company. Now, the CEO of Beyond Meat, Ethan Brown, said, I believe our relationship with McDonald's is very strong. We are involved with McDonald's on a number of different fronts. And then on the other side, the CEO of McDonald's said, yes, we are working with different kind of suppliers, but we don't, mention them as single suppliers. So, and further, Brown said, everything I'm seeing, all in the investment we are making here, the scaling we are doing here would suggest that the relationship there are very strong. And that's really all I can say. So you can see there is some kind of mystery about the McDonald's deal, and I think exactly why it is. McDonald's is a huge brand, guys. Okay, they are spending millions and billions of dollars on supply chains, and I'm totally fine if they say, we don't want to mention every supplier, or we don't want that our burger is called Beyond Meat Burger. We want to have our burger named like we will name all the burgers, right? McPlant or McChicken or Big Mac, right? So I can totally understand that such a great company like McDonald's is, you know, a little bit cautious there. They don't want to play with the brand names of Beyond Meat. So interesting thought, and definitely a huge discount on Beyond Meat the last couple of hours. So I wish you a fantastic day, guys, and make sure to smash that like button, follow me on Instagram, and I will be back in just a couple of hours with my daily vlog. So I hope you are subscribed as well. If not, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. And I see you very, very soon. Stay healthy and safe.